Hi, this is Master Ken. Now, I have a record on the orders and the invoice amount, and all I need is just this. And from here, I can derive the value of total invoice number and the number of invoice for each customer. So this is Power BI. Now there's a difference between a unique number of invoice and number of invoice. So what's the difference? And how do you create that measure? And let's see what it means. Okay, so these are the exact data set, but it's in Excel. So now we do a filter on 16582, which is here, 16582. And then maybe I just click on it. And the total is 52,000. And let's take a look here. Here, select this, is 52,000. Right at the bottom here. Now, the number of orders is 310 minus 1, which is the labor, the header. So it's 309, which is here, the number of invoice. And if I want to know, is there an invoice number, an order number that is repeated? It says that there is. But which are the two? Is it true? Then what I do is that I copy this to another worksheet and I highlight it, and I found out that yes, there's exactly two orders that are repeated, but oh yeah, invoice number is the same. Okay, so now you know that from a minus 2 we get 307 because 2 are repeated. So how do you, so that's the difference between this number of invoices and the unique number of invoices. But how do you create a measure? How do I create a measure? Is that in the number of invoice I use the count rows, which basically just like what it says, count the number of rows, and in Excel just counting it, count number of rows. As for the unique number of invoices, I use the distinct count. The distinct count on the order ID, and there's the inner filter that is on this customer, so therefore it's 307. So it removes the duplicate value, distinct count. And that's the difference between these two. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia.